Hello there and welcome to A2 Maths. We're on Specimen paper 2 and here we're looking at question 1, a radians question, an arc and radians question. So figure 1 shows a circle with centre O. The points A and B lie on the circumference of the circle. The area A of the major sector is the bigger sector, the one on the left hand side here, is shown in figure 1, has an area of 135 centimetres squared. The reflex angle OAB, the reflex angle is this angle round from here to here, that's 4.8 radians. Find the exact length in centimetres of the minor arc AB. So if the left hand side is the major one, the right hand side here, the smaller one, is the minor arc. Giving your answer in terms of A pi plus B, where A and B are integers to be found. Okay, so what we probably want to work out then is the radius given this 135 centimetres squared. So a sector area, let's use the formula for a sector area, is equal to 1/2 r squared theta, where theta is in radians, and in this case it's equal to 135 centimetres squared. So let's put in the values for theta. Theta is 4.8, so it's 1/2 r squared times 4.8 equals 135. So half of 48 is 2.4, so r squared is going to be 135 divided by 2.4. 135 divided by 2.4 gives us 225 over 4. And I'm pretty sure you can square root both of those. Let's now square root, only taking the positive root here, 15 over 2, or in other words, 7.5. So r, just r here, not r squared, just r, is 7.5 centimetres. Great, now that we have the radius of the circle, now we can work out the minor arc. Now, arc length is calculated by the formula r theta. So we know the radius is 7.5. What is the theta value going to be? Well, it's going to be this inside acute angle here, which is going to be 2 pi minus 4.8. Reason being 2 pi. 2 pi is a circle, and we've got to take away the 4.8 radians from the left-hand side. And expanding these brackets, 7.5 times 2 is 15, so it's 15 pi. And then 7.5 times 4.8, let's put that into the calculator, is 36. Lovely. So we get both of those as integer values, so we must have got that one right. And the units here is centimetres. So there we are. We had to use both the formulas for sector area and arc length. We first had to find the value for the radius, and then we plugged in the value for the radius into the arc length, and we had to work out the minor arc. So major and minor arc are terminologies that you have to be familiar with, major being the greater one, minor being the smaller one. And to work out the angle of AOB, the acute angle AOB, we had to do 2 pi minus 4.8. So there we are, that's 4 marks for question 1 there. Let's now move on to question 2.